Good morning. Today I'm going to be planting one of these melons. I've got 2 pepitos, 1 ogan and 1, what's it called? Arava. I'm only really prepared to do one this morning, and it's going to go into this corner. So let's get started. So here's the pepito going into this corner, and it's going to grow up. I don't know if you can see it. There is a wire. Yeah, it'll grow up that. So let's get him right in the corner. Nice root on it. Same depth as it was in the pot. Okay, let's get some water on that. That should settle it in. I'll be doing the other 3 for the other 3 corners as and when I can get access to them. Pumpkin number 2 is begging to go out, slight yellowing of the bottom leaves. I think it's run out of nutrients in this pot, so it's going right in the middle of the sweet corn. Now for a good watering. Quite early, so the sun's not too strong yet. Splashing the leaves a bit, but it doesn't matter. Make sure those roots get plenty of water. So that's a good gallon. Another one ticked off the list. Butternut squash going in next. Let's make a hole. Just a bit bigger. This is the manure that's from back end of last year. So I just put a bit of compost in the bottom, ordinary compost. And let's go and get it. So I knew I wanted 2 of these. I normally grow 3, but I'm done the pumpkin on the other compost heap and on the other manure heap. So I sowed 4 and 4 came up, so I'm going to have 2 to give away, but I'll keep 2 just in case for now. Let's get one out. I think that's pretty much ready. Needs a bit more height. Yeah, I think that'll do. I'll give that a good watering in, and then I'll top up that compost later. I think that should do nicely. I'll just top that up compost wise and then get on with the next one. So there we are. 3 compost heaps, manure heaps. They have got green waste mixed in with the manure as and when I had it, but it's sort of 95% manure, horse manure. So 1 butternut squash, 2 butternut squash, and pumpkinator, which is seems to be doing great. I just wish I know what I was doing with this one. Nobody's really answered my question on whether I should be removing buds, but I'm going to go and try and find out myself, study it myself, because I really should know. I'm going to grow it, and of course the other one's in with the corn, and it's looking okay, it's looking fine.